Hi, today we're going to be taking a unboxing review look at DELUXE MECARD Venon. It's made by Mattel. So, roll core over. Let's see if we can actually get the camera to focus a little bit better. There we go. Roll core over card. Card activates pop-up transformation. Bell is a front. Which fashion on you? Red, blue, black. Correct the poster inside. MECARD.com. You know, all that great stuff. I don't know. Now this one is the first one I noticed that actually has a little piece of plastic that is holding it in place, which is kind of weird. Considering that all the other ones don't really have that, but oh well. Yeah, like I said, the other MECARD modes don't have that. This one did for some odd reason.